In the last few weeks, I have filled the channel with a lot of technical content, and with no immediate ride plans and the RTR away from me, I thought of breaking this technical streak with this video. About 6 months back, I did a video on how to take care of the matte paint job on your motorcycle. Back then, I had purchased the Wavex matte finish detailing product. Someone from Wavex came across that video and they sent over another product. They just wanted me to use and give them a feedback on this product. So this is not a paid video as they never asked me to do this. So after 6 months I am doing this just to break the monotony of hardcore technical videos. Wavex calls this as an instant spray polish, and as per my understanding, this is a kind of liquid wax treatment with some added benefits. This is marketed as a product which adds up as a layer of protection which protects the paint from fuel stains, bird dropping, acid rain and other stuff which I will mention further in this video. Before coming to other pros and cons of this product, it's always recommended to get the surface washed and cleaned up as a part of surface preparation. You also get a microfiber cloth paired with this product which can be used for both application and buffing of the quick detailer. I am not sure about the GSM polyester or polyamide stuff, but after 3 to 4 wash cycles I can assure that it's lint free and it has good absorbing capacity. The size is bigger than my 3M microfiber cloth, however I would have appreciated a lighter color fabric as it helps in noticing the dirt pulled by the cloth. With the surface cleaned up, you can either spray the liquid or apply it with the microfiber cloth. I have sprayed it in excess just to show you how this stuff looks so you guys can observe the dense sticking nature of this liquid. This is very different to what I have experienced with their matte finish product, which was kind of soapy in nature. You can spread the wax over the surface and leave it for some time before you start buffing. I prefer buffing in circular motion to get an easy overall coverage of the surface. I have said this before and I will repeat that Bajaj has done a really good job with the Domina's paint job and it is holding strong for more than 3 years. When it is not running, it's parked in shade, and it's important as it's a known fact that sunlight and its ultraviolet rays are not good for your motorcycle and car's paint. People have faced issues like cracks and paint fade due to the same. Now Wavex highlights this product as a UV protectant, as it has got UV protective composition which protects the paint from UV rays when the motorcycle is exposed to sun. This can be used on painted plastic and rubber surfaces, and it gives really good results on plastic panels which you can see in the video. Although it's reasonably priced, it does not leave greasy or oily residue like other cheap so-called detailing products do, which becomes dust magnet as soon as you are done with the application. I am not awarding this as a best detailing product as I do see scope of improvement for this product as well. Like the water beading and hydrophobic properties are average, the spray nozzle could have been better with the spread in the spray mode. And like almost every liquid wax or quick detailing product, you have to reapply this at least once in a month or depending upon your surrounding conditions to retain the effect. And that should not bother as the best thing about this is the application process, which is effortless and it won't consume your entire weekend like a hard shell wax or a cream wax would do. So if you're new into detailing and stuff, this is something which you can begin with as it won't break your wallet and give satisfactory results in return. That's it for this video and I hope you guys have liked it.